Hey, so I finished my studies today and I'm just getting my shoes on right now because I'm about to go for a walk. Jote Nanai Avanu Hesaru Billy. And yeah, we're gonna go Forest Gay Hoguna. Let's go. I gotta get this collar on first. Want to go for a walk? Yakandre avanu Kannada gottilla. Let's go for a walk. Good go, good go. Sit. Now Maniali, about to go into the woods. Endu tumba sundarvagide. Malayali ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜೇನುನೊಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ they're all getting the pollen because it's beautiful springtime weather. And here we go. Hey, slow down. ಈಗ ನಾವು almost to the forest gay. Idu Rhode, it's really nice and peaceful, and I can kind of just come down to the woods with the dog, Jote, and he likes to swim in the pond, in the lake. So now that I'm in the forest, kind of off the road, Billy can do his own thing. There's not many people here, and he really likes it, just wandering freely in the woods. Come here, Billy. Billy, come. Mani. Va. Inori. A pond, Dali. Kere. Kerege. Hoguna. You like that? He really likes the water. He wants me to throw him something. So if I have to find a stick, let's find a stick.
Big stick, are you ready? Go get it. Okay. Iliba.
Good boy. No. So beautiful out today here on the lake. Oh, this is a big stick. You want this? Hey, tumba ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Good job. Is he coming? Sometimes it takes a while to catch up. This is Lincoln Woods. It's a state park in Rhode Island, which is my state. And it's a pretty good park, being not too far away from the state headquarters, the capital, Providence. So yeah, Providence, Nana Urina Ide. And yeah, that's where I've always grown up, around here. Mast horigo bandru. Iga manege hoguna. Jasti time spent ಇಲ್ಲಿ forest ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So we're going home. Really walk. This is my neighborhood. Just walking down the street. These are kind of what the houses look like around here. So yeah, that was it. Now we're home. And Billy enjoyed his walk in the woods. Didn't you, Billy? Billy, look here. Naughty. So yeah, that's it.